I'm full of it today, boy.
Pills get popped as your love gets stalked. You just sit and watch as I wheeze and cough.
Pills get popped as your love gets stalked. You just sit and watch as I wheeze and cough. I can't breathe at all. I can't breathe it off. I can't breathe with all the pain involved. Hoes come and hoes leave. She said she loved me, I said, bitch, hoe please. You know you can't hold me. No more cuffing bitches, I am not the police. Now it's about the money. Take your shoes off, little bitch, no you can't run me. You can't run me. I don't know what's gotten into me. This bitch was really fucking me up mentally. I really thought that this shit was gon' meant to be. Y'all don't know what that shit meant to me. Now I'm gon' fuck this bitch up instrumentally. Murder he wrote. Bobby Brown, I bring the dope. On my dick, that's when you choke. Same way you choke on your words. I don't think you're good enough to be an ex. Hope you crying when you see me dropping in the next. If you wanna call, I may respond with a text. Flight take cruise, bitch, cause yeah, I'm finna flex. Even though it hurts, I'ma still make the money go. Pull up on the scene, knock them down with dominoes. Speaking of these bad hoes, I got a few of those. Ayy, 40 give a nigga kiss mistletoe. Ayy, yeah. Pills get popped as your love gets stalked. You just sit and watch as I wheeze and cough. I can't breathe at all. I can't breathe it off. I can't breathe with all the pain involved. New York back to LA. I'm stuck inside my ways. G-Money know the money straight. Yeah. G-Money know these bitches fake. Yeah. You run up then you catch a K. Yeah. G-Money say you keep it A. Yeah, we keep it A. This my money shit. This is not a game. These hoes will fuck your head up. Then fuck your bread up. Damn, I hate it when we fight and fuss. To the point where you're giving up. Yeah. It's about that time. To the point where you're giving up. You came in my life and shook it like an earthquake. Fuck your earthquake. I got a chopper that'll make the fucking earth shake. Yeah. Take pills, chase thrills. Fuck fake shit, get real. What's the haps? What's the deal? Shooting craps and gambling still. I was at my bro crib, playing 2K, chillin' on some bro shit. Pills get popped as your love gets stalked. You